Now we'll discuss about the exceptions to the law of demand. First is conspicuous consumption. Now, some people may consume a very expensive commodity just to show and attract attention of the others. उस चीज का दाम कम होता तो वो खरीदता नहीं. He is buying it just because it is expensive in order to show off the people. So in that case, its price and demand will move in the same direction. Not the more the price, the more is the demand of that commodity. Like diamond ornaments and expensive motor cars like BMW, Audi, they are purchased just to show off the people. Na? So they will be bought when their price is high, not when their price is low. Next is bandwagon effect. This is very, very important. Dekho, this is also a somewhat similar situation like this conspicuous consumption. इसमें क्या होता है? The consumer's demand for a good may be affected by the taste and preference of the social class to which he belongs. If playing golf is fashionable among the successful businessmen, then as the price of the golf ball rises, he will increase his demand for golf balls also because it is his status symbol. The social strata in which he belongs to needs you to play golf. Okay? Golf is a highly aristocratic game. It's not like football and cricket, no. So then this is the bandwagon effect, just to show off the others who belong to the same social strata as you, that I am also a part of you. Keep on buying those things. Okay? Next is snob effect. A consumer may try to show that he no longer belongs to a particular class. That is known as snob effect. But typically there are goods which are purchased by the poor people. Now, when the price of this good falls, the consumer may decrease its purchase in order to show that, oh, Baba, I don't belong to this class anymore. That is a snob effect. मान लो हम बताए थे ना, that is a inferior goods हम नहीं खरीदेंगे और because now I belong to some other strata. এটা একটা গ্রেট এক্সপেকটেশনস একটা গল্প পড়েছিস তুই उसमें पिप का ये था स्नोबिश पिप था माने जिस स्ट्रेटा को तुम छोड़ के आया जिस लैडर से तुम सोशल लैडर से तुम उठा उसके बाद यू डिस्पाइज दोज पीपल ও বাবা তো গরিব এদের আমার ভালো লাগে না লাইক দ্যাট হ্যাঁ বাট ওয়ান্স ইউ বিলং টু দ্যাট ক্লাস বাট দ্যাটস ওয়াই ইউ নো হোয়াট আর দ্য ইন্ট্রিকেসিস অফ দ্যাট ক্লাস. Now you have come out of it, so you don't want to belong to it anymore. So you say, no, Baba, I don't buy those goods. That is a snobbish effect. Then, insignificant share in the consumer's budget. If a commodity occupies a very insignificant position in the total budget of the consumer, even if the price rises, I don't mind. Like matchstick price. কত আমি জানি না বাট হোয়াট এভার কত एक दो रुपया अगर वो 2 रुपया 25 पैसा या 50 पैसा भी हो गया since it's not a very big part of my income my expenditure so I'll say okay बाबा खरीद ले क्या बात है 85 तो पैसा बढ़ा लेकिन एतो कोटी लोग अगर 50 पैसा एक्स्ट्रा देंगे तो it's a great thing but we don't mind it. Next is Veblen effect. That was bandwagon effect. That is Veblen effect. Some people consider the price of a commodity is the true indicator of its quality. এটা ভীষণ বড় কথা. मोर दाम जब लेता है हम लोग सोचते हैं ओ ये अच्छा गुड होता है. So we माने my price is the criteria for the quality of the good. In that effect they purchase more of a commodity when there is an increase in price. अच्छा ही गुड होंगे तभी तो हम लोग खरीदेंगे. They think that they are paying higher prices because of the better quality of the goods. और जो सस्ता में तो सेम ही गुड मिल रहा है हम लोग उसको ना इसका क्वालिटी खराब होगा तभी तो इतना सस्ता में दे रहा है तो सेम ही गुड ये लोग ब्रांडेड है बोल के दे आर चार्जिंग मोर but we don't want to think like that. कुछ तो होगा इसमें, नहीं तो क्यों ले रहे हैं दाम, এই একটা ব্যাপার। আর একটা ব্যাপার আছে, তাহলে এই all these cases में the law of the price and the demand curve goes up together, ঠিক আছে? they are the exceptions to the law of the demand. फिर হচ্ছে speculative activities. Goods which are objects of speculation may also defy the law of demand. When the price of a commodity rises, people may increase their purchase of that commodity in the expectation that the price would even rise in the future. पेट्रोल का दाम बढ़ रहा है, तुम सोचा कि वो बाबा और बढ़ेगा, अभी खरीद के रखता है। एरम किचु ना किचु गुड्स हम लोग का होता है ना, थोड़ा बढ़ रहा है, शेयर में बहुत होता है ये चीज, बढ़ रहा है तो और बढ़ेगा, इसी एक्सपेक्टेशन में वी बाय। These are the various consequences. And there is another effect which is known as the Giffen effect. After this, I'll stop. Okay. Finally, there is the Giffen effect. Sir Robert Giffen observed that a typical inferior commodity which is consumed by the poor people may display an odd behavior. उस commodity पे भी एक odd behavior, but a very inferior commodity which is specially bought by the common people. Why are you not doing it? When the price of such a commodity rises, the poor people may cut down on their purchase of other items and increase their purchase of this commodity. इसका प्राइस थोड़ा बहुत बढ़ा तो क्या है ना, दूसरा चीज कम कर दो, यही चीज और ज्यादा खरीद लो। এটাই আয়ারল্যান্ডে হয়েছিল ডিউরিং দ্য 19th सेंचुरी में। क्या हुआ था, मोस्ट ऑफ द पुअर पीपल स्पेंट मैक्सिमम पार्ट ऑफ देयर इनकम पोटैटोज में। दे ईट वेरी मच चीप पोटैटोज आर कीप। दे यूज्ड टू परचेज वेरी लिटिल मीट बिकॉज मीट वाज मच मोर कॉस्टलियर। नाउ इफ द प्राइस ऑफ द पोटैटो ऑल्सो राइजेस, दीज पीपल विल कंज्यूम लेस ऑफ मीट एंड मोर ऑफ पोटैटोज ओनली। व्हाई? बिकॉज मीट इज आउट ऑफ देयर reach. So even if the price of potato rises, they will keep on buying more potatoes only. They purchase more potatoes just to meet their minimum consumption needs.